Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you through writing a tourist visa application letter. If you're planning a trip abroad, many countries require you to submit a formal letter along with your visa application to explain your travel plans and assure immigration authorities that you will return to your home country. A well-written tourist visa application letter increases your chances of approval by providing clear and necessary details about your trip. Let's get started. Sender's information. Identifying yourself. The first part of the letter includes your personal details at the top. These details help the embassy or consulate identify who you are and how they can contact you if needed. Your information should include your full name, your complete address, including city, zip code, and country, your email address, your phone number. For example, the letter should begin like this: John Doe, 123 Maple Street, Los Angeles, California, 90001, USA. johndoe@email.com, +1 555 123 4567. This section ensures clarity and professionalism. Date, indicating when you're writing the letter. After your personal details, include the date you are writing the letter. This is important because embassies review visa applications based on submission dates. A good format to use is April 15th, 2025, to keep it professional and readable. Recipient's information, addressing the embassy or consulate. Next, you need to address your letter to the correct embassy or consulate where you are applying for the visa. This section includes the name of the embassy or consulate, the full address, the city and country. For example, Embassy of France, 14 Rue de Washington, Paris, France. Addressing the correct embassy ensures that your letter reaches the appropriate authorities who will process your application. Subject line, stating the purpose of the letter. The subject line should clearly indicate why you are writing. It should be direct and specific, like this: Application for tourist visa to France. This immediately informs the visa officer about the purpose of your letter, making it easier for them to process your application. Salutation, a professional greeting. Since you don't know the name of the person handling your case, use a general but professional greeting. Dear Sir or Madam. This keeps the letter formal and respectful. Opening paragraph, stating your visa request and travel dates. The first paragraph should clearly state that you are applying for a tourist visa and provide your planned travel dates. For example, I am writing to formally apply for a single-entry tourist visa to visit France for tourism purposes. I plan to visit from July 10th, 2025 to July 24th, 2025 for a total duration of 14 days. This introduction gets straight to the point and provides the key details the embassy needs to process your application. Purpose of visit, explaining why you're traveling. In the next paragraph, explain why you are visiting the country and what you plan to do during your stay. Mention key attractions or cultural experiences you intend to explore. For example, the purpose of my visit is to explore the cultural and historical landmarks of France, experience its rich heritage, and enjoy its world-famous tourist attractions. During my stay, I intend to visit Paris, including the Eiffel Tower, Louvre Museum, and Notre Dame Cathedral. I also plan to explore the beautiful cities of Nice and Lyon to immerse myself in the local culture. This section reassures the visa officer that your trip is purely for tourism and that you have a clear plan. Assurance of return, proving that you will leave the country. One of the most important parts of the letter is proving that you do not intend to overstay your visa. You must show that you have strong ties to your home country. For example, I assure you that I have no intention of overstaying my permitted duration. I am currently employed as marketing manager at ABC Corporation, where I have been working since January 2018. My leave has been approved by my employer, and I have attached an employment verification letter. Additionally, I have sufficient financial means to cover my travel expenses, accommodation, and daily costs during my stay. By mentioning your job, employer, and financial stability, you reassure the embassy that you have strong reasons to return home. Supporting documents, strengthening your application. To prove that you can support yourself during the trip, you should mention the documents you have attached. These documents help verify your travel plans and financial stability. Enclosed are the following supporting documents: a completed visa application form, a copy of my passport, passport-sized photographs, flight reservation details, hotel reservation or invitation letter from my host, proof of financial means, bank statements, pay slips, etc., travel itinerary, travel insurance covering the duration of my stay. Providing these documents strengthens your case and makes your application more credible. Final request and contact information. Before closing the letter, politely request that the embassy consider your application. Also, provide your contact details so they can reach you if they need further information. I respectfully request your kind consideration of my application. If any further information is required, please feel free to contact me at johndoe@email.com or +1 555 123 4567. This keeps the letter professional and cooperative. Closing and signature. End the letter in a polite and professional manner with, "Thank you for your time and assistance." Then sign off with, "Sincerely, John Doe." This leaves a positive final impression on the visa officer reviewing your application. And that's how you write a tourist visa application letter. This letter is essential for proving your travel intentions and increasing your chances of visa approval. Remember to provide clear details, attach all necessary documents, and keep your tone professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Writing Practices. If you have any questions or need help with your visa application letter, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.